My loving children, yesterday I had done A part of exercise. Today B part. Find the prime factors of 36, 64, 75, 91 and 112. So you see prime factors of 36. 36 can be divided by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16. So after dividing 36 by 2, you will get 18. Now 18 can be divided by 2. 2 9 are 18. So 9 here. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So 9. Again 9 can be divided by 3. 3 3 are 9. Again this 3 can be divided by 3. 3 1 are 3. So in this way 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, like 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is prime factorization of 36. Prime factors are 2 and 3 because 2 one time you have to write and 3 one time you have to write. So prime factors are 2 and 3, or you can leave up to that only. Next 64. 64 can be divided by 2. Divide 64 by 2. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. So 32. Again 32 divided by 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 16 can be divided by 2. 2 8 are 16. 8 can be divided by 2. 2 4 are 8. 4 can be divided by 2. 2 2 are 4. 2 can be divided by 2. 2 1 are 2. So in this way 64 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is prime factorization of 64. Prime factor is 2. Only one time you will write. Question number third part of this. 75 can be divided by 3. Divide 75 by 3. 3 2 are 6. 1 is left. Then 3 5 are 15. Now 25 can be divided by 5. 5 5 are 25. Again this 5 can be divided by 5. 5 1 are 5. So you can write 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. 3 into 5 into 5. Prime factors are 3 and 5. Question number 4. 91. You have to find out prime factorization of 91. So 91 can be divided by 7. 7 1 are 7. 2 is left. Then 21, 7 3 are 21. Now 13 can be divided by 13. 13 1 are 13. So you can write 91 is equal to 7 into 13. These are prime factors 7 and 13. Now 112. 112 can be divided by 2. 2 5 are 10. 2 6 are 12. 56. Again 56 can be divided by 2. 2 2 are 4. 2 8 are 16. 28 can be divided by 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 4 are 8. So 14 here. Again 14 can be divided by 2. 2 7 are 14. Again 7 can be divided by 7. 7 1 are 7. In this way 112 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So these are, so prime factors are 2 and 7. Now C part. Construct a factor tree. Construct a factor tree of 24. C 24. 24 can be written as 12 2 are 24. So in place of 24 you can write 2 and 12 because 12 2 are 24. Now 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 6 2 are 12. 6 into 2, 6 2 are 12. Understood? Then next, 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 2 3 yeah, 6. So this is factor tree. This is known as factor tree. Similarly, 72 here also. 72 can be written as 36 into 2. 2 into 36. Again, 36 can be written as 2 into 18. 18 to the 36. Again, 18 can be written as 2 into 9. 9 to the 18. Then 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 3 to the 9. In this way, you can form factor tree like that. Similarly, 96 also. 96, 48 to the 96. Then 48 can be written as 24 to the 48. 24 can be written as 12 to the 24. 12 can be written as 6 to the 12. 6 can be written as 3 to the 6. So this is known as factor tree. This is factor tree. In this way you can do other part also. Now all of you write down in your fair copy and practice it well. Thank you.